Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. I'm excited because we have a new sponsor today, so let's jump into it. Today's sponsor is Cheetah Beauty Hair. This is actually my first collaboration with them. Yay to them, welcome. We hope they stay a while. Now let's jump into the details about today's install. What I have installed is a 24-inch 13x6 frontal wig. This is an HD lace, and look at her, you guys. The lace goes all the way back here. Density 180%. Let's try it on and see if we need any lace tint. Sunshine. I think we don't need any lace tint. With my head all the time, you go way out of line. Sunshine, don't keep. Very full hairline, but the lace is good. The fit is good as well. Attention and care, losing the tension, and baby, I swear. That's how it's gonna look there. I think we're gonna have to pluck some of this hair because it is giving very full. If you don't want to pluck the entire wig, just pluck around the front where you're gonna mostly see it. Anywhere else you can kind of get away with not plucking. My tomorrow, forever now. Spotlight from my cell phone. Sounds like it's your ringtone. I get chills when you call. Wanna give you my heart, so I might talk all night long. Show me affection, attention, and care. Losing the tension, and baby, I swear. Now we're gonna secure her. Chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever now. Chills, yeah, I get chills when you come. Wanna give you my heart. So this wig is very easy to install because it just fits so well around the face. Why you play with my head? Can you love me instead? I give my all, I give my. Hi guys. Girl. Say hi. Hi. Love you. So I'm just gonna remove some of the hair from the sideburns because again, this wig is thick. There's lots of hair and I just want a more natural look.
But I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try.
Use some eco style.
I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up.
Looking good, guys.
I'm not into drinking, that's just wasting time. I'd rather be spending it on working out. Some say I'm too uptight, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh,
I think I'm gonna do a deep side part. Yeah, like that. Wax stick and eco style gel. Like the ultimate melt. It's the one that I'm using.
up on my dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream.
I'm gonna spray it with some water. So what we're gonna do is let this dry and then come back and close off the video and give my final thoughts, but this is what she looks like. Now the length is a bit pushing it. This is definitely stretched length 24 because when it's sitting on me just resting, it is giving me styled length 22. So keep that in mind if you're purchasing this wig, but I would say don't worry about that because the lace is bomb.com. The fit is really nice. With this 13x6, you have such a deep parting space. It goes all the way from here to here. Also, this wig did come with a really dark color on it. It is very black. I'm so used to getting like the natural 1B color. Every time I get like a really jet black wig, it reminds me like how much I really love like jet black hair. The knots came very visible on this lace and I knew that I wanted to bleach it, but also because the hair has been dyed, or at least it looks like it's been dyed to me, I knew that it was gonna be more resistant. So I did leave the bleach on the knots for a really long time. It lifted slightly, but that was like after an hour. And it really didn't lift all that much, but enough to where I can, you know, melt her down and not be so obvious that you're wearing a wig. Definitely recommend. It is pretty. The hair does feel very soft. No smell to the unit as well, so I love that. It actually doesn't smell like anything. We are here for that. Very pretty. I have nothing bad to say about this unit. If you want to check them out, I'm going to link all the information to Cheetah Beauty Hair in the description box for you below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? You know we do giveaways all the time over here and we drop videos like 3 times a week. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye for now.